Hello, in this video brought to you by Sierra CAD/CAM, we're going to discuss how to set up a network licensing server or an acting network server. First of which, if this is going to be one of your client computers, so it's an acting server, the license utilities that we're going to discuss are already installed when you install the Mastercam version, whether that be 26 or 27. The license utilities are automatically installed for you. If this happens to be an isolated system, so it is only to be used as a server, you're going to need to go to Downloads at mastercam.com. Scroll down under Drivers and Utilities, select Download, and you're going to continue down the page until you see Software Licensing. Within Software Licensing, you'll need to download and install the Mastercam Activation Wizard setup for the acting server. You do not need to do this if your system, again, has already had Mastercam installed. On the opposite end, you do not need to install Mastercam on your server. You only need this utility. From there, it's just a matter of simply activating your system as a network. To do that, we can go to the Windows icon, scroll down through all programs or all apps until you see CodeMeter. From there, we're going to select the CodeMeter Control Center. Keep in mind, you will not show any license activation on any clients. The license will only be activated on the one server. We'll select Web Admin from this page. And within the Web Admin, we want to go to Configuration, Basic, and in this page is where you would put in your server. So you would start with Add New Server, and that's typically, it could be something as simple as 10.1.1 point something. Otherwise, it can be a 195 number, but this is specific to the IPv4 address on the system that you want to point to. Okay, so this would be for your client setup. Your client is going to point to this server to launch Mastercam. From there, after your server has been added, select Add, Apply. Of course, this is not a valid address, so I get an error. But afterwards, I'm going to delete the automatic server search. All right, apply again, and now that it's been completed. From there, if I am going to set this up as the server itself, I just need to do an additional step. Again, for this to be a server, I'm going to remove that completely. And under my configuration, I'm going to select Server, Server Access, and right here I have Network Server, and I'm going to select Enable. And you'll notice here that it shows the network port of 22350. This port needs to be opened to send and receive your firewall software so that you can have two-way communication between the server and your clients. And that's basically all there is to setting up a network.
Thank you for watching this video provided by Sierra CAD/CAM. If you have any questions or concerns, we can be reached at 530-268-8508 extension 2, or you can shoot us an email at support@sierracadcam.com. Thank you.